What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Red Guy. Today we got a package in the mail, and we're gonna be talking about a package. I'm really excited for this package. I've been waiting for this package for the longest time, and I did get my bird a new cage. And look, he's in love with this new cage, man. Look, it got a mirror right there, somewhere back there, and he stays there 100% most of the days. And look at him. Oh my god. Go up there, bro. There you go. So this bird's name is Lola. If you haven't met him yet, his name is Lola. Sometimes when I'm making videos, he's in the background just going, you know what I'm saying, chipping around and stuff like that. But hey, this is Lola, guys. Meet Lola, my beautiful parakeet that loves to destroy my Xbox controller. But you know, he's a little aggressive too. Look. He's a little aggressive. Oh, look at him trying to bite me. But anyways, let's get right into this package and talk about it. I'm gonna unbox it, and we're gonna open up the package. It came in a Home Depot package. Boom. Use a box cutter to unbox it. Boom. I know what's in here, obviously. I know you guys don't know what's in here, but the title might give it up, so let's do a little cool unboxing video. You know, I never do unboxing video. I just take the parts out and then show you guys. I never unbox it. Some people do enjoy unboxing videos, so I thought I'd just unbox it for you guys to see it. Boom, boom. Whoever packaged this thing, bro, he did a good job. He like really like took care of it. So as you guys know, we ordered a Mountune Intake for the Focus ST, and oh my god, this thing looks so good. It feels like it's like aluminum or cast or something like that. I don't know, but it feels really solid. I like it. Wow. I thought it was gonna be bigger than that, but it comes with couplers and stuff like that. I have no idea where this goes. Oh, that's the little thingy. Okay, I know where that goes. Let's see what's in here next. There's another piece, which, okay, so this is like towards the end of it. This part goes towards the end of it, and there's another piece, bro. What is this? And that's the intake. It's the air filter. Okay, so this is a Mountune air filter. That's huge. It's way bigger than the one I have in my car right now. That's insane. Is there any more packages? I think that's all the packages that came today. We got a Mountune filter, and we got everything that we need. So looks like everything is in here now. This is gonna go like this. Boom. Wait, how does it go? I guess like this, and boom. Now, I think there's some type of divider in between, but I'm not sure where. Did he not add it? So if you guys can see, I was like digging to find this somewhere in there, which was somewhere in the box, but I found it. So it goes in like that. Boom. It's kind of hard to vlog and do this at the same time. I think you get the concept, and it goes in like this. And free. This is for the intake, obviously, but I'm trying to figure out how this goes in. So I'm pretty sure it goes in somewhere like this, and like that, and it's just like that as the intake, and this couple part goes right here. So we're gonna do the install video right now for you guys. It's kind of hot out there, but I'm just gonna stand in the sun and do it quick. I know it shouldn't take more than 20 or 30 minutes because it's just an intake, and I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is the inside of my my Focus ST. This is the original intake that comes with the car. The only modification that was done to this intake was change the filter, you know, because the stock filter, I feel like it restricted a lot of air. But my neighbor, man, who has a Speed 3, told me that if I do go with Mountune, I might feel a little bit of difference in the throttle, you know. So right now we're gonna go ahead and take this intake out, and in the process of that, I'm gonna kind of walk you through it. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. So first thing you're gonna do is just pretty much take this off. Look how clean my engine looks. Oh my god. You're gonna first take this off the cover. You're gonna take this out, the little coupler right here, that, and all the way down there you're gonna take it off. So I'm gonna wait for the engine to cool down a little bit because I kind of just drove it and it's kind of hot. I don't want to be touching hot stuff, you feel me? So, but I'm gonna go through it and just try to take as much as I can take out without burning myself, you know what I mean? Okay, so We're gonna use our tools right here. Boom. I'm going to do a comparison and talk about the difference between the stock and the Mountune Intake. The Mountune Intake obviously is made out of some type of metal. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's definitely heavier than the stock one. The stock one is made out of plastic. I think this will probably dissipate heat real faster than this one. Also, there's a lot of restriction on the stock one. As you can see, look at the width of right here to this one, like, you know, it's just straight airflow. There's like these little bumps here. That's gonna stop the car from getting all the airflow it needs. And when you look back here, I think they put this heat shield here to prevent it from melting. I don't know, but and look at the comparison between this size inlet versus this inlet. Like, there's a huge difference between them, and obviously you're gonna get this beautiful Mountune design on it. And that's the only reason why I want this. I wanted a two-piece intake because I feel like two-piece intake is way better looking and way nicer and way easier to get to your O2 sensor when you need to work on your O2 sensor too, you know what I'm saying? That's the only reason why I got this, to be honest with you. We're gonna definitely make some updates to this Mountune thing. I'm gonna change these little elbows right here, make them red to match my car, you know. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching the videos. You're gonna get more videos. We're gonna go to the car, install the Mountune Intake, and I'm gonna talk you guys through the process. So as you guys can see, the first thing you're going to install on your Mountune Intake is put the bottom piece, which goes to the turbo end first. You know, that piece is going to go in the turbo, and you're going to secure it. But before you put it in, there are these things that are going to transfer from your old intake to the new intake, which are these little kind of tabs that goes on it. This slides in there, and this is right on top of it. And then your little screw or whatever it's called goes right in here. I don't know why mine is, one is silver and one is gold, but oh well. We're gonna go right ahead and do that first. Alright boys, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on the intake and stuff like that. Everything is in right. I put the Mountune intake, the coupler, the elbow, whatever it's called, and the middle one, and man, I can tell you this thing looks really good. So I'm gonna see if the stock, what do you call it, this right here is gonna go right back on it or not. And if it doesn't, then I know that okay, oh okay, so it goes right back on it, doesn't it? Okay, so it goes right back on it just like stock. And then there you go, you got a Mountune intake in your car. I don't know if I have to trim this part out a little bit. It kind of sits a little weird, but it's kind of tight right here. I don't know why, but maybe it has to. That's cool though. But yeah, definitely sits pretty good. And we're gonna start up the car, give it a couple revs, and see if there's gonna be any intake sound we can get. I can definitely tell the difference from the intake. This makes a lot of intake noise. Oh my god, that's pretty cool though. We're gonna go for a drive and I'll be back and I'll tell you guys my honest opinion on the Mountune intake and see if I can definitely feel any throttle difference or anything like that.